Hello friends, in this video, I will guide you through Notion AI pricing, explain full breakdown hidden costs you must know. To understand Notion AI pricing, first identify your usage level, individual, small team, or large organization. The free plan costs $0 per member per month, ideal for basic use, exploring Notion's workspace, and testing simple AI functions. The Plus plan costs around $10 per member per month, designed for individuals and small teams needing better collaboration tools and advanced workspace features, with basic AI access depending on usage limits. The Business plan costs around $20 per member per month, recommended for professionals and growing teams, offering advanced AI tools, team collaboration features, automation options, and platform integrations. Enterprise plan pricing is custom, suitable for large organizations requiring high security control, scalability, and compliance features such as admin tools and audit logs. Choose your plan based on your actual usage level, not just features, and upgrade as your needs grow. Thank you for watching Quick Tweak.